So today we're going to be talking about gift funds. Are you planning to receive gift funds for the purchase of your home? Here's some things that you need to be aware of. First of all, make sure that you've had a discussion with your lender before any money is changing hands. It's super important for them to know a gift is on the horizon so they can help you document it and do it properly. Let's talk about some of the people involved. You have a donor. The donor is your family member, fiance, or domestic partner who will be gifting you that money. Some things to know. There cannot be any repayment expected for a gift. They're going to have to supply evidence they can give the gift to you, and that's in the form of bank statements. And lastly, they will be required to sign a gift letter. And be prepared. Sometimes the lenders will call the donor and ask, did you give Mr. or Mrs. Smith a gift? Yes or no? Is there any payment expected? Yes or no? Because I've seen that go sideways. So just so everyone's aware, that could happen. Better to be prepared, right? And know what you're up against. You're going to need to have a gift letter. A gift letter, generally the lender will provide it for you in the format that they need. It's going to have your name on it, the donor's name on it, the banking information, and how much that gift is for, because they're going to want to verify the transfer of money matches what's on that gift letter. Now let's talk about the transfer. This is the most important part, and you'll want to make sure you do it right the first time so you're not backtracking. Now, there's an easy way and there's a not so easy way. One of the easiest ways is for the donor to wire money directly to the title company in your behalf. And make sure that gift letter and that wire match. That's generally the easiest. But that may not always happen. You know, there are some folks who don't use online banking still or don't feel comfortable with the wire. So next best thing is to actually have them write you a check. And that check needs to match the gift letter. You then will go deposit that check, but before you do, make sure you make a copy of it for your lender, put it in your bank, and deposit it. Once it clears, the lender will want an updated account statement from you to verify the funds are in there. While that's all proceeding, they're going to ask you for a statement from the donor to show they had the ability to give you that gift. And there are times that they even ask you for evidence after the money was taken out of the donor's account for an updated bank statement from them as well. Just so you're prepared. It's all about paper trail, paper trail, paper trail with a gift. The rules for gift funds change all the time, so make sure that you have that conversation with your lender and that it's not a last minute surprise, because it could make or break your loan approval. And it might seem excessive why underwriting keeps asking for all these bank statements and paper trail, but just be mindful, they are trying to follow guideline, and we are trying to ward against money laundering, and we have to follow the rules, right? They just want to make sure that the funds are coming from an acceptable source and your loan is going to be sellable on the secondary market. And gift funds can be an amazing addition to what you're trying to accomplish. I've seen so many different ways to be able to use gift funds when purchasing a home, and it gives someone an opportunity to buy when they wouldn't have been able to before. So don't discount the gift fund, but be ready and prepared to follow the rules. And if you have questions, just reach out. I'm happy to help. Hi, I'm Aundrea Beach-Greco, your local mortgage expert, serving Las Vegas for the last 24 years. It's my passion to help you with the largest investment of your lifetime, your home. And it's super important to me that you're in the best mortgage for your needs today and in the future. If I can be of service, just reach out.